musings and other nonsense, whimsical stories, poems, and songs for children. Written and read by Peter G. Reynolds. That's me. This podcast would not be possible without your support. Please visit buymeacoffee.com/musings to donate, become a member, and get access to some amazing perks. This episode is called The Typewriter, and may be too spooky for little ghouls and ghosts. Listener discretion is advised. I found a typewriter back in my youth. The carriage was bone. Each key was a tooth. The ribbon was made from a tongue that was tied. The ink made from tears from children who cried. The paper was pale like the skin of a ghost, straight from the nightmare that scares you the most. I sat down and typed a short little story, but whatever I wrote just came out as gory. Knights got eaten or simply would cower, and maidens stayed trapped high up in their tower. All cries for help were just met with laughter. No heroes at all, happily never after. I tried to stop, my fingers were sore, but it wouldn't let go, for it wanted more. It took every idea that I ever had and turned all the good into something real bad. And when the typewriter was finished with me, I collapsed on the floor. I was finally free. So if you ever find a typewriter of bone, please heed my warning and leave it alone. For though I survived that terrible fate, instead of 10 fingers, I now have just 8. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please check out my rhyming picture book, Lost Hallway, Where Do Lost Things Go? And my middle grade chapter book, Stitches in Time Travel. Stitches in Time Travel is now available as an audiobook on Amazon, Audible, and iTunes. You can learn more at storiesbypeter.com, where you can subscribe to our mailing list for the latest updates and news. See you next time!